Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. All right, you have picked the perfect synthetic rug for your home. Look at one like this, beautiful. All the colors, it matches great. You're doing life, and next thing you know, you spill. So how do you clean that synthetic rug? For the answer to that, let's welcome in our expert, David McIntyre. He knows rugs very well and certainly how to clean them. So let's take this one for example. We're doing life, we're eating, we're having a little something to drink, and we spill.
Yes.
Is water the first move?
Water is fine on either the wool or the synthetics, but dampen it a little bit.
Okay.
And there again, the best thing is to work the stain towards the center and blot it up. So a lot of times water will take whatever the stain is out of the rug, particularly if it is a fresh stain.
Okay.
Then you should have a lot better luck. Now, any of the cleaners that will clean a wool rug will also clean a synthetic rug, but not safe to do some of it the other way around.
Okay.
On a synthetic rug, I still highly recommend using Dawn dishwashing liquid. Just a dab of it on a damp rag and rub it, it'll just work great. There are a lot of good over-the-counter cleaners. The Woolite spray cleaner will work very, very well on this. And then there is another product called Folex, F-O-L-E-X, comes in a plastic bottle. It will clean just about anything you can possibly imagine out of a synthetic rug. So a lot of the synthetic fibers are just remarkably stain resistant. Some of them, it would be very difficult to actually stain one. They'll clean up really, really well. So you don't have to have much fear of that. But the Folex, the Woolite's great. And then the Dawn dishwashing liquid is your big friend. The Dawn will also work on your upholstery, things like that. It's just a fabulous product.
One thing people like to use vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
So you
well,
an
here's
advocate
the deal
of that
with
or not?
Vinegar is a pretty good cleaner too, and it's harmless to the wool or the synthetic rug. One of the great things vinegar can be used for with a rug or any of your textiles, if they should become musty smelling, vinegar is a great freshener, and you mix 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water in a spray bottle and just dampen the whole surface of the rug and let it dry. Sometimes you do the back and the front, but it's amazing. Now, it'll smell like a tossed salad for a few hours, but after that, it's great, and it works very, very well. The vinegar is a good cleaner.
When do you know it's like, uh-oh, some of your remedies didn't work? When do I know I need to get this professionally cleaned?
Well, if you try all of the above and you're not having any luck, a professional cleaner, it may be necessary to call in a professional cleaner.
Okay.
And I don't mean taking it to the dry cleaner. I'm talking about calling in someone who actually cleans area rugs.
Gotcha.
And that's the safest way to do if you've got a nice rug like that.
One other one, steam cleaning, yes or no?
Steam cleaning, okay, here we go with steam cleaning. I'm glad you asked that. Steam cleaning is pretty good on a lot of rugs, but the majority of machine-made rugs have jute in the foundation. The warp and the weft has jute woven into it. And if you get the rug too damp with the steam cleaning, the jute backing sometimes will shrink, it will draw up and cause some ripples in the rug. So you've got to be careful about doing that. You might want to see if your rug has the jute backing or not.
Okay.
It should say on the label, but you got to be careful. As long as you don't get the rug particularly wet, you're okay.
Gotcha.
One other thing, I get asked constantly, should I treat my rug with any kind of protectorant? There are a lot of protectorants out there and a lot of cleaners out there. I'm not big on putting a protectorant on the rug, and there's some well-known cleaners on the market that if you clean a stain and the stain doesn't remove, those cleaners have a protectorant like Scotchgard built into them. The problem there is if you don't get the stain out, the Scotchgard seals the stain in, and then you have to get it professionally cleaned, and you're going to get charged a lot because it's very difficult for the professional to remove the Scotchgard. So I avoid anything like that has Scotchgard in it.
Okay.
There's only one product on the market that I would ever recommend spraying on any rug and it's Vectra, V-E-C-T-R-A. It is a protectorant similar to some others on the market, but it is water-based rather than silicone-based. Silicone-based protectorants have negative ions and will draw dust to the rug, same way that Armor All does on your dashboard. 30 minutes later, you've got that dust coating.
Right.
Certain protectorants do that. The Vectra is water-based, so it doesn't have the negative ions, and you won't have any issue with it drawing dirt like certain other protectorants would.
Okay. As always,
just a couple of tips for you.
David McIntyre for us. Good stuff. Great job there by David, giving us some practical tips on how to clean a synthetic rug. One other video for you to check out. This is on our YouTube channel, and it is a video that lays out how do you choose the right size rug and where do you place it. Another great video concerning rugs. But thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.